So, you've got a WordPress site, but let's be honest, static pages can feel a little flat. That's where Slider Revolution comes in, the ultimate tool for transforming your website into an engaging visual experience. Hey, my name is Arthur, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. With Slider Revolution, you can create stunning sliders, carousels, and even full websites with animations that'll make visitors go, "Whoa, did that just move?" It's not just about pretty pictures either. This tool is fast, responsive, and customizable, helping you tell your brand's story in an interactive way. Whether you want to showcase your portfolio, highlight a product, or tell an engaging story, Slider Revolution is your new secret weapon. It's like having a Hollywood studio for your website, except it fits right into WordPress. So, why use it? Simple, it turns just another website into an unforgettable experience. With Slider Revolution, your content doesn't just sit there, it moves. And it moves people. If you enjoyed watching sliders come to life as much as I did making them, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't worry, it's totally interactive. Well, almost. But seriously, join the ride. We've got more tips, tricks, and web magic coming your way.